Good morning, dear children. Today we are going to deal the lesson The Accidental Tourist by Bill Bryson. The author of this story is Bill Bryson, and the same person is the protagonist of this story. So, protagonist means leading character, the main character. So, in this story, the main character is Bill Bryson. First of all, let us have the outlook of the chapter. The Accidental Tourist is an amusing story by Bill Bryson, who shares his experiences during air travels. Means he enjoys traveling by air. He finds himself involved in difficult and embarrassing situation as a tourist. But whenever he enjoys traveling by air, he feels some problem because of his carelessness. He has a confused personality, means he is a man of fickle-minded. What to do, what not to do, he cannot decide himself. If you must be confident if you want to lead a good life. Okay. So he has a confused personality and is always in troubles. If you are not confident in your work, you shall be in trouble. So you must be very much confident. Confident of what? What you are going to do. Okay. His tendency to cause unintentional accidents makes the story humorous and entertaining. But this confusing ability of Bill Bryson makes the whole story quite entertaining, quite amusing. Now let us have the paraphrasing of the text. That is, we are going to have the summary of the chapter. Forgetful and confused nature of narrator. Confused nature of narrator. Who is the narrator? Bill Bryson. Okay. The narrator believed that he is not at all good at living in the real world. This is the real world, and today is the world of materialistic possession. All runs after money. All are busy making money. But this fellow is totally confused. What to do and what not to do, he cannot decide. He felt amazed at how other people were able to do things so easily which he was unable to perform. And whenever he sees his colleagues that they are used to do work much easier in a decent manner, so he is totally perplexed how they can do such work so easily and he can't. So he finds himself in embarrassing situation. He got easily confused. Actually, he is very gullible. Any Tom, Dick and Harry can take him into his words. Means he can be befooled by anyone. Okay. At many times, he was unable to find the lavatory in a cinema. Look, he went to watch movie in a cinema hall. And during the interval, he came out in order to go to lavatory. Lavatory means washroom. But he does not know where the washroom is. Hence, the problem will occur. Okay, means he does not know the length and the breadth of the cinema hall. However, he went there several times. Okay. He also forgets his hotel room number. Whenever he goes outside, he hires a room. He books a room. Cars are hired. Rooms are booked. Okay. So he booked his room in the hotel, but he forgets his room number and he has to go to receptionist in order to ask for his room number. So it is not done. Means he is not attentive. Okay. He goes 2 or 3 times in a day at the hotel desk to inquire about the room number. Now trouble at the airport. He went to the airport and he was traveling by airways. So first of all, if you want to go through the aeroplane, you have to go to the airport. Okay. On Easter, the narrator went to England with his family for a week. On the Logan Airport in Boston. Okay. Now he is at Boston and he went to Logan Airport. He suddenly remembered that he had a discount card of British Airways frequent flyer program. If he uses his ID card, he would get some discount. But there is wrong spelling written regarding his name on the I card, and which does not resemble with the discount offer. The name differs in the discount offer and in the ID card. Hence, he was not given any discount. So, he did not get discount because of his carelessness. The card was kept on the carry bag, and when he tried to open the bag, the zip of the bag was jammed, and he tried very hard. As a result, the zip was broken, and all the articles, clothes and all, took a large area, spread over the large area on the floor of the airport, which gives a lot of trouble to the fellow passengers. Okay. Now mishaps with narrator on the plane. Now look, what are the mishaps done on the plane? He boarded the plane. Okay. The narrator always had mishappenings while traveling in an aeroplane that resulted to inconvenience to many passengers. Whenever he travels by airways, he faced many problems, and due to his actions, fellow passengers are very much disturbed. Okay. Once on a flight, the narrator bent to tie his shoelace, and someone on the seat ahead of him pushed his seat back. The narrator was sitting on his seat on the aeroplane, and suddenly he bent down to tie his lace, and the man or the woman, whosoever is sitting in front of him, pushed his seat back, and when the fellow passenger pushed his seat back, the back of the seat hit the narrator's head, which causes injury on his head. Okay. So, next to that, the back of the seat hit the narrator said he had to hold the leg of the other passenger to manage his position. So, when he was hit by the back portion of the seat, he held the leg of the another passenger in order to have control over his body. On another flight, he dropped soft drink on the lady sitting beside him. He drank cold drink, not deliberately, but he poured the drink on one of the lady's body. Okay. So, again, the lady is infuriated at the flight attendant helped her clean up. So, the soft drinks drunk by narrator has fallen on the floor of the aeroplane and got him another drink. So, the air hostess came there and cleaned all the surface floor of the aeroplane, and he was offered another soft drink by the air hostess. He also dropped his second glass on that lady. The second glass was also dropped by him on that lady. He was confused on how it happened, and it happens undeliberately. जानबूझकर नहीं करता, गलती से ही हो जाती है. Okay. The worst experience on the flight was once happened when the narrator was writing his thoughts in a notebook. The narrator in the aeroplane while traveling writing the thoughts in his notebook. He was sucking the other end of the pen from time to time, but he was writing and taking the end of the pen into his mouth. It is a very bad habit. Means the narrator is not attentive. Okay. And nobody likes such habit. Okay. No husband like such habit of any wife, and vice versa. Means no wife like such habit of husband. Okay, everybody wants handsome or beautiful life partner. Okay. He was sucking the other end of the pen into his mouth from time to time, and also talking to the woman seated beside him. After some time, when he went to the washroom, he saw that the ink had leaked from his pen and made his mouth, teeth, gums, chin navy blue in color. Okay, the pen was leaking and he was sucking the pen. He has taken the end of the pen into his mouth and sucking, hence whole part of the mouth including gums, tongue became navy blue in color. Okay, Now narrator's wish. Narrator has some desire. Let us see what desire he has. The narrator wanted to be swapped. Everybody wanted to be swapped. Swapped means civilized. Okay, if you are civilized, you will be loved by one and all. If you will be uncivilized, if you live like an animal, nobody would like to talk to you. Okay, he wanted to leave the dining table neat and clean. He wanted, whenever he sits in the car, he should not leave the sleeve of his coat stuck in the door. He does not want it to stain his light colored trousers by sitting on various things. He wanted such and such things, but he does the other thing. Okay. Precautions taken by his wife and the narrator. So, wife takes some precautions in order to maintain her husband. On the flight, when narrator's family was served meals, when meals were served by air hostess to narrator's family, his wife directed the children to cover their head with the hood to save themselves from the mesh that their father would create while eating. So, mummy told, beta, you all must cover your head because papa while eating can throw the food items from his mouth on your head. So, better you cover your head and be safe. Okay. To keep himself away from any mishap, the narrator does not eat, drink or bend to tie his shoelace whenever he travels alone. Look, he is taking the other way around. Means now if the shoelace is opened, he is not going to tie that up. So if you leave that, if due to road accident, we should not go on the road, it is not done. We must be careful while being on the road. We must walk on the left side of the road in order to be safe. Okay. He sits very quietly and keeps his hands under him to prevent them from moving. And he keeps his hands under the pocket. The hands will not be out, so no mishappening will be done. He did not enjoy sitting like that, but it helped him saving the laundry expenditure. If you put sauce and food items on your clothes, it will become dirty. So if it becomes dirty, suppose this shirt can be worn for 3 days at least, no problem. Okay, but suppose during my lunch hour I poured some of the food items, gravy and all on my shirt, so it should be washed today only. Okay, so it will cost laundry expenditure if I give this shirt to washerman or washerwoman for cleaning purposes. So Bill Bryson does the same, and in order to save the money, laundry expenditure, he avoided eating anything. So it is not done. You must eat while being cautious. Okay. The narrator couldn't gather flyer miles and the narrator. Okay. Just go through this one. The narrator was a frequent traveler, but he never got his discount on air miles. The same thing which I told you at the outset of the story. He must fly 100,000 miles a year, but he had gathered only about 212 air miles from 23 airlines. The reasons were that sometimes he forgot to ask for air miles, or sometimes the airlines did not record them. Okay, means if you suppose I attended my seminar, but I don't get my certificates. I have not put attendance there, so it is marked absent. It is no use attending seminar. I should have downloaded the certificate from CBSE website. I should have deposited in the school office. Only then it will be marked by the authority. Okay, because nobody knows I have attended or not unless and until I inform them. Okay, so he did the same. But he cannot get any discount on miles because the clerk told him that his name on the ticket was B. Bryson, while the name on the card was W. Bryson. Okay, Bill Bryson in one, Will Bryson in another Bill Bryson. So the name spelling mismatched. Hence he was denied of discount. Okay. Consequently, he does not got any air miles, and also he could not travel to Bali in first class. If he would have been given discount, at the same price he would have got first class ticket and he would have enjoyed first class air travel. Okay, but as a result of his carelessness, he cannot get the requisite discount. Thank you. Have a nice day.